Today we are presenting Papillon. Papillon is a compact fixed-wing air drone that is capable of supplying medical instruments for short distances. Generally, in rural areas, dispensaries are quite far and this unreachability may cause great issues. Keeping this in mind, we have created a mini drone that will be capable of supplying medical instruments. Now, we are going to introduce basic parts of our aircraft. Firstly, this is the fuselage, wings, tail fin and tailplane. Further details will be given by Ruth.
So, in our Papillon, we have fuselage. Fuselage carries payloads such as medical supplies, blood samples, syringe for emergency situations.
It comes with an autopilot system and works just like the autopilot of a commercial aircraft. A preset flight plan can be entered in the system and then it can fly without human intervention. This can be done through a software and after this the drone can fly to its final destination deciding its own trajectory path. The most important feature is its cost efficiency. In difficult terrains, drones used are very expensive, but human lives are more important there and hence it is worth to use a 25 lakh drone. But in rural areas, same task can be done by a small drone costing just 5 lakhs and this reduction in cost make it affordable to even local cell government and NGOs, making it a pocket-friendly appliance.
You can see the autopilot system here. This is GPS and this is autopilot.
Bad compass help.
Here we have servo
Bad or no
output
terrain data.
and here we can see the live map of our school. Here this is the location of our aircraft. Here we can see variations in the parameters.
Bad or no terrain data.
Here when I will move this autopilot system, here we can see every reading in this instrument cluster. Here we have altitude,
Bad or no
ground
terrain
speed,
data.
how distance traveled by the aircraft. This is our autopilot system and this is how it's work. Now we will use it in our medical drone.